Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check the call history on your iPhone, even if it's deleted. Now, if you open up the Recents tab in the phone of your iPhone and swipe to the left and tap on the delete button, unfortunately, there's no way to find it in here. There's no recently deleted in the call history. However, you have two different ways to be able to get it back. The first one is let's hop out of here and open up the Settings app of your iPhone. And within the Settings app, let's scroll down to the very bottom and you can see Apps at the bottom. Let's just tap on that. And now we're going to get to the Phone app. So scroll down until you find the section for P. And there it is. Let's tap on Phone. Now within here, there could be a place that you can check to see that entire call history, and it depends how you have everything set up. Because if you scroll down, you're looking for this calls section, you can see calls on other devices. If I tap on that, you can see calls on other devices is turned on and Trevor's MacBook Pro is turned on. This essentially means if I deleted that call from my iPhone, I can always check my MacBook Pro to see the call history in there instead. So if you have another account that is set up for calls on other devices, check that other device. However, if that doesn't work for you, there is a second option to be able to do it. Let's open up a web browser on your iPhone, and I have AT&T, so I'm going to type in AT&T call logs. And you'll be able to see when I open this up, it says access your call history. So if I tap on it, you can walk through this step, but basically it will allow me to access my entire call history, including all of the contacts and the exact date and time that the calls were sent and received. Keep in mind all of the major carriers, T-Mobile, Sprint, Verizon, AT&T, they all have call history logs that you can download to your phone, iPhone, Android, computer, and be able to see that call history. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.